The big secret: how AI is changing UX design and how you can master it. This isn't a future dream. It's happening right now. And the best part? If you get it, you'll own the shift, not get left behind. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, let's uncover how AI is quietly transforming UX design into something powerful and fast. Let's rewind a bit. UX design used to be all about wireframes, sticky notes, and lots of testing. Slow, manual, and full of guesswork. You'd design screens, test them with users, fix issues, then repeat, lots of trial and error, all done by hand. It worked great. Until now, because AI just stepped into the studio as your new, tireless teammate. Say you want a budgeting app screen. No blank canvas needed. Just type, create a clean, modern budget dashboard, and it's done by AI in seconds. Testing? Maze AI scans user sessions and spits out insights. No more endless hours tracking rage clicks yourself. Need UX copy in English, French, Hindi, or in any language? AI's got your back, handling languages and microcopy with ease. From layouts to color palettes, AI feels like a 24/7 design assistant, without the chai breaks or coffee runs. Here's the fun part. Designers aren't replaced, they're upgraded. You're the strategist, the storyteller, the AI's co-pilot. I might churn out 10 designs, but you choose the one that tells the story, solves the problem, and feels right. You bring the why. You connect user needs to business goals. Meaningful design, that's your real superpower. This is the most exciting time to be a designer. You move faster, try more ideas, and focus on what truly matters. You're not just making things look pretty. You're shaping user behavior and improving lives, with AI turbocharging your craft. Remember, you're still the driver. AI is just the turbo engine powering your design journey. Alright, let's get practical. How do you master designing with AI? Start simple and explore. Treat AI like your new playground. Tip 1. Treat AI like a sandbox. Try UX Pilot, Figma AI, Google Stitch, Claude, ChatGPT, or any other AI tool. Generate flows, ask it to write UI UX ideas, play with ideas and generate designs, and edit them as needed for better results. No pressure to be perfect. Just explore and build comfort. Tip 2. How you talk to AI equals what you get out of it. Instead of vague prompts like design a dashboard, go specific, create a dark mode analytics dashboard for a SaaS tool with 3 KPIs and a user profile section. Better input means better output. Tip 3. Don't fear data. Don't be afraid of numbers. Understand how to read heat maps, behavior flows, drop-off points. This is how you go from guessing to knowing what to improve. Tip 4. Master emotional design and storytelling. AI can generate UI, but only you can make them feel right. Design is about emotion. It's about trust. Use storytelling to guide users, reduce friction, and leave a lasting impression. Tip 5. Think like a product owner. Start thinking beyond UI. Ask, what's the business goal here? What does success look like? How are we measuring impact? Designers who think like product people, they become indispensable. That's the future. So here's the truth. AI won't replace designers, but it will amplify those who embrace and evolve with it. You've got the creative muscle, now AI gives you wings. So explore, experiment, stay curious, and lead the next design wave. Found this helpful? Stick around and join Vern Design Hub for deep dives on UX, AI tools, workflows, and winning strategies. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep designing and keep growing.